placing that cone into that hybrid node as Team 365, that's the Miracle Workers, working on grabbing a cube off of the floor and heading back towards that charge station. Let's see if they can level it out, and it looks like they can, which will help them towards that bonus points needed for extra ranking points. On our blue line, we see Team 433, that's the Firebirds, placing that cube inside of that hybrid node. As a reminder, our alliances need to form at least 4 links to gain that additional ranking point. You can get links by putting 3 game pieces next to each other. Speaking of links, our Red Alliance Team 4467 places that cone onto that upper outer grid, which is going to complete that link for the Red Alliance. In the middle of our field, we see Team 433 as the Firebirds working on lining up towards that cube, and it does go inside their robot, working their way back towards their blue community, as it looks like we have Team 9991 playing a little bit of defense here for our Red Alliance. And I have to say, I love that toolbox in the middle of their robot. Heading back out to the Red Alliance side of the field, we're going to see Team 365, that's the Miracle Workers, placing that cube onto that O-up grid in the middle, finishing that second link. Back down toward the blue line side of the field, Team 433, that's the Firebirds, working on placing that cube inside of that hybrid node, as Team 9094 and 7414 both working on grabbing game elements from that human player station. With just under 1 minute to go here, we are going to start seeing teams finishing up that scoring and heading towards endgame as Team 4467 goes racing back across the field. And Team 433, that's the Firebirds, scoring another cube in that hybrid node. Team 7414, that's Retro Robotics, also working on scoring that cube inside of their ball. Inside the hybrid node as well. That whistle means we are in endgame as we head into the final 30 seconds of our match. We're going to see our alliances try to balance on that. As it looks like we have 2 of our Blue Alliance robots working on docking and engaging, and it looks like 9094 is going to be joining them. Over on Red, it looks like our Red Alliance may be a little stuck if they free themselves. With 5 seconds left, and both of our alliances get those charge stations balanced